Otessa might just be the preferred man here, but they've got Kalusha Al-Assad as well. There's two of them. It could be on the left, it could be on the right. This is the one you can't call quite. It's Dawa who goes low, puts it in the net. That's why they need him. In spite of everything that he does in the team, that's why they need him. Takes a low one and puts it in the net. Getane Kibele levels the scores here, decisively sending it away from Georgie Desta. The time when they were the ones who were leading it. And then Kuzwano chips it, it's in the net. Does again level the score here. Just about 3 minutes after the Sylvester side have scored, the Maria Mwonge Georgians is celebrating a goal from Eno Kesaya. That's left. This one, punch it through, hit it on the side. Goes directly into the net, and that's why it was a dangerous position. And Abu Bakr Nasser scored his 23rd goal in the Ethiopian Premier League, beats the record of the club of Tafesa Despire. That's why there's a big celebration on it. The big and might have withstood the challenge. Not very clear who's going to be taking it. It's Jones in the net. It changes everything here. A very last-minute strike by Israel Eshetu. Well, what a shot coming from the Adama side by Belaya Baile. A very last-minute substitute. It changes things here. 1-1 in the 95. Shot with Messiah Genyehu. Free kick, Belaku is preparing to take it. With a hard one. He hits the net. Belaku with some of the best shots in the league so far. This is almost half of the distance from the halfway back. You know, 3/4 way, or even like a quarter of the field away from the Walaita teacher goal area. And Belaku pumps it into the net. Or Sidama Buna. Seems to be the man who's going to be taking it. They get his technical application right this time round. Well, a hand shot into the net. He does get it right. What a shot from Mamadou Sidibe. The Malian proves that he's got the... Command obedience here with the field. Not even Odessa, it's Alemu. Bitsum, he puts it in the net. He replicates the shot that was taken on the other side by Eno Kesaya. He takes his on his right foot and he beats Birel, get down to it, levels the scores in the 46th minute of the game. You could call it 47th if you want, but Bitsum is back on the score chart. That's a lot of challenge there. Waiting to take our boys. Mamadou. Places it in the net! Yes! It's a brilliant touch from Sidibe Mamadou. No challenge whatsoever coming to that ball. He puts it in the net. And Sidibe is celebrating a beautiful marriage with a beautiful goal as well for Sidama Coffee.